In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam an unexpected error has occurred. Now, there's a simple fix for this, guys, and that is to actually open the Steam from a web browser and make sure you're going incognito or using a browser that you haven't used before. So that means you don't have any cookies on it or anything. So if you want to do it, you can open an incognito browser, or you can use maybe something that you don't normally use like Microsoft Edge or Firefox, or you can simply clear your cookies and go to Steam. Now from in here, you're gonna open up the Steam app and hopefully there will be no more errors. That's a simple way that you can fix it. Another way that you can do is on your Steam, go down here, search for apps, in here, then find the Steam, should be down here somewhere. Steam right here, click on it, uninstall, and then go reinstall your Steam. Now a third thing that you can try, and this might not work all the time, but for some errors it works. You can simply close down Steam, right click it, and run it as an administrator. Now those are some ways that you can fix if there pops an unexpected error, and I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.